Hello to all friends. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can update WhatsApp app. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and let us get started with you. So, to begin with, you can use the method to update your WhatsApp app via App Store. To do this, open the App Store on your iPhone. Next, type the word WhatsApp in the search box. And when you find the app, tap on it. And here, instead of the word open, there will be the word update. You'll need to click on it and wait a few seconds or a few minutes for this app to update. Also, I recommend you after that, or if you are not getting the WhatsApp app updated, go to your phone settings. Then you can go to Basic iPhone Memory. And when all the iPhone memory is loaded, scroll down, select WhatsApp. And here you will be able to find an option called Unload App. You will need to tap on it. After the app unloading happens, also at this place you will have another option called Reload App. You will also click on this button and wait for a few minutes until the app is reloaded. This way you will clear all the cache, all the unnecessary files and outdated on the app, and one will be updated. Friends, these are the two ways you can update WhatsApp app on your phone. I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.